Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. We had previously reported to you that both sides have started the process of domesticating subpoenas. The state has done so in Nevada for one witness. The defense has done so for 5 witnesses in Pennsylvania. I've received a request to read one of the subpoenas out of Pennsylvania, the packets, to apprise of what is contained. There is one subpoena that I wanted to bring to your attention. It is for a gentleman in Bartonsville, Pennsylvania. It appears to be at his place of business. It is a used auto sales type of organization, and just completely speculating here, this may be the organization where Mr. Kohberger arranged to purchase his 2015 Hyundai Elantra that the state of Idaho believes is suspect vehicle 1, which Mr. Kohberger vehemently denies. His packet is comprised of 14 pages. Page 1 is in the Court of Common Pleas of Monroe County, Pennsylvania. So this is a Pennsylvania court document. It is an order scheduling a hearing on the petition for summons for this witness, and he is to appear at the Monroe County Courthouse. Although this is blank, the witnesses were directed to appear on June 30th to give cause as to why they should not be issued this domesticated subpoena to appear for trial in Boise, Idaho. Now, the next page is a continuation of the same. This is the order, blank order, assuming the court's going to fill this out, issuing the summons for this witness to testify in the out-of-state criminal case. Paragraph 1 and 2 explains that this witness is a material and necessary witness in a criminal proceeding pending before the district court in the 4th Judicial District in Idaho, and compelling the attendance of this witness and his testimony will not cause undue hardship to him. That is a matter that will be discussed at the hearing. Page 3 is actually page 2 of this Pennsylvania order, and it states that the trial begins August 11th and ends November 7th, with the specific dates to be communicated to this witness by the court as to when he is to specifically appear in Idaho. Now, page 4 is the petition for summons. This is also in the Court of Common Pleas in Monroe County, and it addresses the fact that per 42 PA, it's a statute 5963, the petitioner, who is the attorney working with the defense, has been retained to assist in Pennsylvania through the domestication process. And that is described in paragraph 1. It goes into the fact that the trial is scheduled to take place from August 11th until November 7th. And then it goes into the legal grounds to enable the Pennsylvania courts to give this relief that the defense is seeking. There is an Exhibit A that is appearing after page number 8. Page 9 is the expert sealed certificate of an Idaho district judge, and this is from the Idaho court. This is actually Judge Hippler has signed this, and he says that there is a proceeding in the district court in Ada County, and the defendant is charged with the 5 felonies that he is. Number 4 paragraph is stating that Judge Hippler is presiding over the trial. And then if you go on to page number 11, you'll see Judge Hippler's signature there. And then Exhibit B is the actual trial subpoena for this individual. And it says that you are commanded to appear in the district court of the 4th Judicial District in Idaho, and that you are further notified that if you fail to appear at the place and the time specified, that you may be held in contempt of court. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone. Thanks for joining us today.